What if I told you that over the next few weeks, your phone is going to quietly transform itself, not with a new case, not with a new app, but with an update so powerful it could make your Galaxy feel brand new? And here's the kicker: this transformation isn't coming to everyone at the same time. Some of you will wake up to it next week, while others might be waiting until November. And yes, there's a very deliberate reason why Samsung does this. Today, we're diving deep into the leaked One UI 8 rollout schedule, and once you see the dates and the devices in line, you'll understand exactly how Samsung plans to pull this off. Welcome back, viewers. Sam here. If you love being the first to know what's coming to your Galaxy, hit like, share this video with your fellow Samsung fans, and subscribe so you don't miss what's next, because this one's packed with surprises. So here's what just happened. A full timeline of Samsung's One UI 8 rollout leaked from a source overseas, and we translated every single date. When you look at this roadmap, you see a clear pattern. Samsung is starting with the S25 series mid-September, then rolling out to the S24 series a week later, and then the domino effect begins. By the time October kicks in, it's like Samsung flips a switch and the updates start dropping fast. The Tab S10 series, the Watch 7, Watch 6 Classic, and even the Watch FE are all set for early October. And then just 2 days later, we see the Flip 6, Fold 6, and S23 series joining the party. It's a rollout that feels like a tech festival. Every few days, another group of users gets their turn. But here's the twist: some budget and mid-range devices are scheduled to get One UI 8 even before certain flagship tablets. Devices like the A33, A35, and M34 are slotted for late October, beating out the Tab Active series. This is huge because it shows Samsung is no longer treating mid-range users as an afterthought. They want as many people as possible on the same software version before the Galaxy S26 Ultra launches next year, and that tells us this update is laying the groundwork for something bigger. Now let's talk about why this update feels different. One UI 8 isn't just polishing the UI, it's reshaping how your phone behaves. The lock screen clock now dynamically moves with your wallpaper, making every unlock feel alive. The weather app shows hyper-realistic animations, the gallery is cleaner and faster, and multitasking feels more fluid than ever. You'll notice it the moment you start switching apps. No stutter, no lag, just smooth transitions that make your phone feel premium again. And then there are the features Samsung didn't brag about. Smart noise isolation for videos might be the sleeper hit of this update. Imagine recording at a busy street corner, but when you play the video back, you hear crystal clear voices and none of the traffic chaos. It's like having studio-grade audio filtering right in your pocket. That's something that used to take pro software and hours of editing. Now it's just a tap away. Another under-the-radar feature is call captions, real-time captions for voice calls. For millions of users with hearing difficulties, this is a game changer. But even if you hear perfectly fine, think about those times when you're on a call in a noisy cafe or struggling with someone's accent. This feature quietly solves all of that, turning frustrating calls into smooth conversations. And of course, there's the battery life story no one's talking about. One UI 8 includes deep system optimizations that extend battery life by up to 15% on foldables like the Z Fold 7. That means an extra hour or two of screen time just from software. Combine that with the smoother animations, and your phone will not just last longer, but feel faster. This is why Samsung staggers its rollout. Early adopters on the S25 series basically become live testers, giving Samsung real-world data. By the time it reaches A series and foldables, the update is fully polished. It's frustrating to wait, sure, but it's the reason Samsung's stable builds feel rock solid when they finally land. And the best part, we're still not seeing everything. Samsung is holding back a few key features for the stable release. They always do. The beta teases, the final update delivers, and history tells us there's always at least one surprise left. Maybe a deeper Galaxy AI integration. Maybe a secret camera boost. Whatever it is, it's coming. So here's my question. When your phone finally gets One UI 8, what's the very first feature you're going to try? Tell me in the comments. Personally, I can't wait to play with Now Brief, the new all-in-one glance screen that gives you your calendar, news, weather, and even YouTube pics without diving into 10 different apps. It's the kind of feature that saves time every single day. If this breakdown helped you understand what's coming, smash that like button, share this with your Galaxy group chat, and make sure you're subscribed because the next wave of updates is coming fast. And when the stable release drops worldwide, we'll be here to unpack every last hidden feature.